Interconnecting fibers in a fiber optic system is a very important factor. The connection can either be a permanent bond, which is known as a splice, or it can be an easily demountable connection known as a connector. Here, we are going to be learning the optical splicing technique. For that, we need the splicing machine, the cleaver, and the clipper. Fusion splicing is mainly done to join two fibers due to breakage, to extend a cable run, or to attach a pre-terminated pigtail. The first step is to strip back the external sheathing of the cable using ceramic scissors. Strip the primary buffer from the fiber using fiber strippers and not any kind of ordinary wire strippers. Do this a small section at a time to prevent the fiber from breaking for about 10 mm on each cut. Strip back a total of about 35 mm. The second step is to complete the cleaving process. The cleaver first cores the fiber and then pulls the fiber apart to make a clean break. It is important that the ends are smooth and perpendicular to get a good joint. Once the fiber ends are prepared, they are placed in the fusion splicer. Press the button and automatically the machine takes care of the rest of the fusion process. First, the two fibers are aligned. Then, the splicer fires an electric arc between the two ends, which melts them immediately and pushes them together or fuses them into one piece of fiber. The fusion splicer then tests for dB loss and tensile strength before giving the OK beeps for you to remove the splice from the machine. As you can see, the whole process is repeated again. And the final step is to give a sense of protection. The protective tube gives physical protection to the splice, and further protection is provided by placing the splice into a splice tray. Once all of the fibers have been joined, the whole tray is then fixed into a splice box, which protects the cable joint as a whole, and the cable clamps are then tightened to prevent any external forces from pulling on the splices. The fusion splicing is completed. Thank you.